Once upon a time in a small village in India, there lived a young boy named Arjun. Arjun was a devoted follower of Hinduism, and he found great solace and inspiration in the teachings of his faith. One day, a severe drought struck the village, leaving the villagers in despair. The crops withered, and the rivers ran dry. The villagers sought answers, hoping for a miracle to end their suffering. Arjun decided to take matters into his own hands. Arjun remembered a story his grandmother had once told him about the power of devotion and selflessness. Inspired by the tale, he embarked on a journey to find a legendary temple situated at the peak of a distant mountain. It was said that those who reached the temple with a pure heart and unwavering faith would receive a blessing that could bring prosperity to their community. Undeterred by the treacherous journey ahead, Arjun set off, carrying only a small bag of provisions and his unwavering determination. He traversed rugged terrains, crossed dangerous rivers, and endured scorching heat. Along the way, he encountered various obstacles, but his faith remained unshaken. Finally, after days of perseverance, Arjun reached the base of the mountain. He looked up, the summit obscured by dense clouds. Undeterred, he began his arduous ascent. With every step, he chanted sacred mantras and fervently prayed for the well-being of his village. The climb was challenging, and Arjun faced fatigue and doubt. But he recalled the teachings of Hinduism that emphasized the power of resilience and unwavering faith. With renewed determination, he pushed forward. After what seemed like an eternity, Arjun reached the temple at the mountain's peak. Exhausted yet exhilarated, he stepped inside the temple and offered his heartfelt prayers. Suddenly, a divine presence enveloped the space, and Arjun felt a profound sense of peace and tranquility. In that moment, a voice spoke to Arjun, praising his unwavering devotion and selflessness. The voice revealed that the true purpose of Arjun's journey was not merely to receive a blessing for his village but to inspire others with his unwavering faith. Arjun returned to his village, his spirit shining bright. The villagers, inspired by his journey and touched by his devotion, came together with renewed hope and determination. They united their efforts, working selflessly to find solutions and alleviate the effects of the drought. With time, the villagers overcame their struggles, and prosperity returned to the village. Arjun's journey had not only brought physical blessings but had also ignited a flame of hope and determination in the hearts of the villagers. The story of Arjun's unwavering faith and selflessness spread far and wide, inspiring countless others to face their challenges with renewed vigor. It reminded them of the power of faith and the potential for greatness that lies within every individual. From that day forward, Arjun's story became a symbol of inspiration, reminding people of the strength of their inner selves and the power of devotion. It stood as a testament to the teachings of Hinduism, encouraging individuals to face adversity with unwavering faith, resilience, and selflessness.